In this video, you'll learn how to access your MindTap course, set up your account, and enter in your access code. We'll also explore how you can navigate through your MindTap course. You will access your MindTap course within your Marshall Blackboard course. To begin, go ahead and log into Blackboard and access your course. Once you are within your Blackboard course, access the area where your instructor has added the MindTap link. Your link should look similar to the one that's on the page. To begin, and to access MindTap moving forward, you will click on this link. If this is your first time using Cengage resources embedded in Blackboard, you'll be asked to link your Blackboard account to a Cengage Brain account. If you've used Cengage resources previously and already have a Cengage Brain account, you can enter in your user credentials into the fields on the middle of the page. If you don't yet have an account and need to create one, simply click on the Don't Have an Account link, and you'll be able to register a new account. After working through the registration page, you'll then be able to sign in using the email address and password that you just set. The next page is the Pay for Your Course window. If you already have your access code, choose Redeem Access Code and click Continue. This will take you to a page where you can enter in your access code. You'll only be asked to enter the access code one time. If you'd like to pay for your access online using a credit card, debit card, or PayPal, you can choose this option, click Continue, and then work through the online purchasing process. If you don't have an access code and are not yet ready to purchase one, you can make use of your course's 3-week grace period. Your grace period information is included in orange toward the middle of the page. To make use of the grace period, choose I'll Pay Later, go to My Course, and click Continue. This Pay for Your Course window will open each time you access your MindTap course until you've entered in your access code or paid online. Your MindTap course will open in a separate window. You can navigate through the 3 views of MindTap using the icons that run across the top of the page. The first view is a weekly view that will show you what's due in each week. You can move to previous or future weeks just using the arrows along the sides of the page. For weeks where anything is listed as due, you can simply click on it from the calendar list to open up that activity. Your second view is a unit view. This will give you a table of contents type look at all of the activities. Simply click on a chapter to open up the activities that are available to you for that chapter. Each chapter will include a similar list of activities and will begin with a fact or fiction exercise and then go into each section of the text. Within each section, you'll be able to access the section's reading as well as a concept check and quiz that you can take. Within the ebook, you have the ability to highlight, take notes, and even have the textbook read aloud to you to turn it into an audiobook. In addition to the activities that you have at the section level, you also have a post-test that's available to you at the chapter level, as well as case studies and a video case study. Your third view is a list view, which will show you a running list of all MindTap activities, including their relevant due dates. Keep in mind that all of your MindTap activities are due on the test date. In the top of the page where you see your name, you can open this up to access a menu. One item that I'll point out is the system check. This will run just a quick diagnosis on your computer to make sure that everything is up to date to run MindTap successfully. Running down the right-hand side of the page, you have access to a variety of study resources, including the full e-text, a search tool, the progress tool, which will keep track of all of your activity scores, your read speaker, which are your settings for the audiobook, and other study resources such as flashcards, and what's called a study hub, which will keep track of all of the notes and highlights that you make throughout the ebook.